Hello guys, this is Money Grind here. So today we'll be discussing about the secret token that are used in the secret network. Enjoy! So first, let us discuss about the background on secret first. So for those who are familiar with this coin, you may jump to the later part of this video for discussion about the price action of the secret token since launch. So first, the secret token is launched in February 13, 2020, and the token is a proof of stake token and uses a secret contract, which is a kind of a programmable privacy, thus making it unable to track transactions made on the blockchain. So this is a problem for me because this makes it difficult to determine who has the largest amount of secret token on hand, and this makes it possible for price manipulation. So another problem for me is that there are only 50 validator nodes that are active at any time. So this gave me the impression that this token is highly centralized. I might be wrong, but for me, this amount of validator nodes is a little bit on the low side. So one interesting aspect of the secret token is the launch of the secret Ethereum bridge on December 15, 2020. So basically this feature allows user to represent their Ethereum in a secret token and move them around without the details of the transaction being made public. So I definitely see the allure in using this token because it does provide the privacy that were not available on normal blockchain. So currently there are about 150 million of secret token in circulation, and this is approximately 77% of its total 192 million supply. In other words, there are currently approximately 22% that are locked away, and this worries me a little bit because this is quite a lot of amount, and we still didn't know in which wallet it is being held at the moment. However, there are one positive point in my opinion, and that is all the data is stored, processed, and protected in a trusted execution environment that is hardware based and isolated from the main operating system, meaning that it cannot be tampered with. So in terms of market cap, the secret token is at about $750 million with a trading volume of approximately 4.7 million. And this rank it at about 135 among all the cryptocurrencies currently in circulation. So that would be all for the introduction of the token. So let us jump into the chart analysis. So if we look at this chart, we can see that we have had two rallies since the beginning of this year. So we have one rally starting from February to March, so approximately 3 months, and we have another rally that starts at October and lasted to November, so approximately 2 months. So during our first rallies at the beginning of this year, we can see that the price broke through. So this is a very important line we have here. So this line has acted as a resistance line, support line, support line, and support line. So this line has been retested many times. So if we use this line for our analysis here, we can see that so since our price action broke through this line at February, so it rallied in 3 peaks, and after the price completed this triple tops pattern, so the price trend down and went into the bear market. So the bear market lasted for about 2 months also. So after 2 months, so we have had a double bottom here during our bear market, and after the price action completed this double bottom pattern, so the price starting to trend up and went into our second rally in the later part of this year. So the price continued to trend up until we have a head and shoulders pattern here. So here we have a left shoulders, so here is the head and here is the right shoulders. So here is our neckline, and since the price action completed this head and shoulders pattern, the price broke through its neckline and started to trend to the downside. So if we try to look at our trading volume here, so we can see that, so at the left shoulders we have a high trading volume, which is very typical for this kind of formation. So at our head we are also having a high trading volume, but at a slightly lower level than our left shoulders here. So this is also very typical for this kind of formation at the head. So at our right shoulders, so we can see here, so we have a slight increase in trading volume, but at a substantial lower level than the left shoulders and the head. This is also very typical for the right shoulder. So basically these three signs here completes our head and shoulders pattern. So I would say that this pattern is valid, and since then the trend has reversed and starting to trend down. So here we can see that we have a huge red candlestick here. So this is a big move to the downside, and since then we have continuously trending down. So currently we are at about, I would say, 60% from our all-time high here, and between this all-time high and all-time low I couldn't see any significant support level that could hold this price. So without that, I would definitely see that this price could continue to trend down until it hits our all-time low here. So currently if we look at our RSI here, so we can see that the RSI is showing that the price is definitely accelerating to the downside, and the overall trend is also trending down, and the RSI on the macro level is also trending down. So this definitely suggests that the overall trend currently is bearish. And if we look at our MACD indicator here also, we can see that currently the MACD line is below our signal line here. So this is also a bearish indicator we are having here. So however, one thing we do need to note is that currently our MACD is below the zero level. So this suggests that the coin is a little oversold at the moment. So we should see a couple of slight retracement to the up in the near future. However, the overall trend should still be trending down regardless. If we try to project the price objective from our previous rally, let's say we have the highest price objective we have here, and if we project this price objective to our current all-time high, we can see that since then the price has already broke through our highest price objective from our previous price action here. So definitely I would say that the downward pressure at the moment is very strong now, and if we try to project how long this current bear market will last, so previously the bear market we had lasted 2 months. So if we project this, I could see that maybe this current bear market could last until the end of January 2022. So that would be all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I was making it. Please subscribe and smash the like button if you find value in this video. Do leave us a comment down below if you have any other topics or coin that you would like us to cover, and we may cover it in the next video. So cheers, and until next time!